can completely get rid of bed bugs for less than $29 and without even using chemical insecticides. But for this, you should understand bed bugs and how to apply these remedies correctly. Let's see how to kill bed bugs on a budget. Diomes Earth is composed of fossilized diatoms. It works through its sharp, microscopic edges that penetrate the bed bug's exoskeleton, leading to desiccation and dehydration. As a safe option for humans and pets, Diomes Earth is applied as a thin layer in areas prone to bedbug activity, such as cracks and crevices. Its chemical action is effective at all stages of the bedbug's life cycle, from adults to bedbug eggs. Diomes Earth is an effective and natural remedy for combating bedbug infestations. To get rid of bedbugs, ensure that you purchase food-grade Diomes Earth. Sprinkle Diomes Earth in common bedbug hiding spots, such as seams, folds, joints, and any cracks or crevices where they may hide. Diomes Earth is very affordable, so I will link in the video description below the best quality Diomes Earth available on Amazon for the lowest price. Another one is high temperatures. There is something very important that you should know. Heat kills bedbugs. Heat is a very effective method for killing bedbugs at all stages of their life cycle, including eggs, nymphs, and adults. Bedbugs are highly sensitive to extreme temperature. This is a very important fact to know about bedbugs in order to win the battle. The recommended temperature for killing bedbugs is above 120 Fahrenheit, or 49 degrees Celsius. This is why you should launder on high heat mode any clothing, bedding, and linens in the infested area. Once washed, transferring the items to a high temperature clothes dryer completes the treatment. This won't cost you more than the price of a laundromat. Isolating your bed. Isolating the bed by moving it away from walls and using double-sided tape on bed legs prevents bed bugs from migrating and climbing onto the bed. This will stop bed bugs from climbing your bed at night to drink your blood. To isolate your bed in the most effective way to regain immediately peaceful nights, you should use interceptor cups and mattress encasements, both being very affordable. I will also link in the video description below the best choices for those available on Amazon for, again, the lowest price. Another one is vinegar and essential oils. Another cheap and natural remedy is to spray bed bugs with white vinegar and essential oils. Pick an essential oil that has proven results against bed bugs, such as tea tree essential oil, lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus oil. Another cheap remedy is vacuuming. Vacuuming serves as a practical method for physically removing bed bugs, their eggs, and nymphs from infested areas, disrupting their life cycle and limiting reproduction. It also helps eliminating allergens associated with bed bugs, contributing to a healthier living environment. I would also advise you to declutter the infested rooms, and this won't cost you anything anyway. Decluttering reduces hiding spots, making it easier to detect and treat areas where bedbugs may lurk. This minimizes the potential for infestations and enhances the efficiency of treatment. Use all of these natural remedies and you will not break the bank to get rid of bedbugs. I mentioned earlier that a DIY spray can be a powerful weapon to get rid of bedbugs, but to get results, you need to know how to correctly make and apply it. So, check out our tutorial video where you will learn everything about the best DIY spray recipes for bedbugs.